So guys, as you can see, this is how the layer birds behave before they get to sleep. They look like this for some time before they get to quiet sleep mode. In fact, it's so interesting how they behave and how they conduct themselves quietly and then get to sleep, as you can see there. When they are actually sleeping, they are quiet. So in one of these days, I'll try and get you a midnight behavior as well. So until then, stay safe, stay fit. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, like it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.